Welcome back to Work Smart Jamaica. Every single line on your Jamaican payslip matters, and ignoring even one can cost you money. Let's break down what each line actually means in plain Jamaican English. In the last video, I showed you how to read a Jamaican payslip. Now, we're going deeper, line by line, so you know exactly what you're looking at. Let's begin by looking at the employee information lines. At the top of your payslip, you'll usually see your name, TRN, employee number, and the pay period. These lines confirm that the payslip is actually yours and for the correct time period. If the dates are wrong, the pay can be wrong. Next, the basic pay line. This line shows your basic pay, either your weekly, fortnightly, or monthly salary. This number should match what you agreed to in your contract. If it doesn't, that's your first red flag. This is followed by overtime and hours. If you worked overtime, you should see it listed on a separate line. It may show the number of hours, the rate, and the total amount. Overtime should never be hidden inside your basic pay. Next, allowances. Allowances are extra payment like transport, meals, or uniform allowances. Some allowances are taxed, others are not. They should always be clearly listed. This is followed by deduction lines. This section shows what's been taken out of your pay. Common deductions include income tax, NIS, NHT, and education tax. Each one should appear on its own line. Final is net pay line. Your net pay is the final line. This is the money that should reach your bank account. Always compare this number to what you actually receive. This breakdown matters because when you understand each line, you can spot missing pay, incorrect deductions, or mistakes early. Most issues go unnoticed simply because workers don't know what to look for. Now that you know what every line means, the next question is obvious. Why does your take home pay still feel low? In the next video, I'll examine exactly why your take home pay is less than your salary. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.